Jones futures. I'm on a 15-minute chart here. I've already gone over setups many times. I'm going to go over them real quick one more time just for whoever hasn't watched the previous video. This is the bull flag that I've been looking at since the end of August that's been developing. I've adjusted it a few times. I might have to adjust it again a little bit today later, but let's just see what's going on there. This is the resistance of the major bull flag that we had since end of June. We broke out here, back tested it, and then back tested it again, set up a failed breakdown, awesome setup, and that took us all the way to the new recent highs. Since then, we've been flagging sideways, consolidating. You can clearly see the flag. Let's go to a 15-minute chart and talk about what I saw last night and what ended up transpiring. So going into close, we were below this resistance. It was clearly something that was really bad on Wednesday, like we couldn't get past it, and then eventually Thursday we had a little mini fail breakdown here in Dow Jones where we undercut these overnight lows and we took off. That took us all the way into this extended position in overnight on Dow Jones, so we had nothing to do and we had a reclaim level above. We didn't quite tag it overnight, and then I wasn't awake obviously, but before I woke up, I knew already no structure, no trade, look for traps below. And lo and behold, look what we got. We got exactly that at 8:30. We tagged this level, undercut this low, got the failed breakdown, and then recovered the major level above. And that went right up to the reclaim level where we rejected. I couldn't have drawn this better. Look at my previous video if you need proof. The proof is in the pudding, as they say. This worked out tremendously. And then we rejected here. Clearly, this is the reclaim level we're looking at that we need to get past for further upside. And we'll probably get back there for another test, I hope. We sold directly down from there, sold through this level, and came right down and tagged this really crunchy area, I would say. A dip in recovery was a setup I had here because there was clearly a bunch of lows here that you could be using. I wouldn't know which one would be the right one. So what I would assume is you want to see price undercut this major level, tag this minor level below, exactly what happened, and then go back and reclaim that major level, exactly what happened. And then one can go long depending on the risk tolerance, a couple points above here, or wait for this minor level above to clear as well, just to be safe. That is what I just did. I'm in a long position now. I took some off at this minor level just because I already got maybe 6 points, and Dow Jones is a little funky like that. Sometimes it doesn't reach the target I want. So the next target up for Dow Jones is this level. This will be the reclaim level we're looking at now. If we can get past this, then we should be able to come back and retest this, maybe even as soon as today. Going back to now ES real quick. ES also played out pretty well here. We had no structure, no trade. Look for a 65.05 dip in recovery. Boom. 8:30, 65.05 dip in recovery. Many ways to play this. I did not play it. I didn't love the structure personally because it was a little bit tough longing 7 points above, but it worked out for those who took it. And then we had a little failed breakout, opposite of what I usually trade, where we overthrew this high and then we lost it. We came right back down, undercut this clear low and this low right here, and we went right back up and recovered this major level. This was a trigger. If you want to be a little patient, you could wait for this one as well to clear. And that has been working out awesome. We've already gone up over 20 points from the least risk trigger we had. So this both have worked out tremendously. Let's go to EURUSD real quick while I'm here. Going into the evening on Thursday, we were looking at pretty much this level right here. We were consolidating. It was a reclaim level. Well, guess what? We reclaimed it around 7 o'clock. We back tested it at 8:15. Came up to this level. This was also a reclaim now. We pushed through eventually. Consolidated above that last night. Below this bull flag resistance. Tried to push through, cut, sold through. And then overnight, late or early morning, I should say, we finally pushed through. Consolidated, got some great acceptance at this level, and then went level to level right up at 7 a.m. We came back tested, offered a second entry, perfect back test to the perfect level, and then we pushed right up this morning. And guess what we did? We tagged my blue levels. My blue levels, if you've seen previous videos, are highly accurate. high time frame levels that I think are very important. They always are. And boom, we hit this. We sold right down. We back tested this level, set up a little mini failed breakdown here, which is why I have this green line here. I entered that failed breakdown. That went back to the blue level, major blue level. A failed breakout here where we sold down. Guess what we did? We retagged that trigger and then we came right back to the blue level. It's been a great day in terms of price action, obeying the levels. Really think this video and the last video I posted was a great educational video. Please take a look and see what you can do. Right now in EURUSD, potentially failed breakdowns of these lows or a back test, dip and recovery of this level will be something I'm looking for. On Dow Jones, we're pretty much now just already into an entry, only a couple points above it. I think we should hit this and sell. Maybe we can get another entry. Otherwise, this will, I think, probably rip through and back test this reclaim level one more time. And then in ES, same thing here. We have a new low to work with today. But if that doesn't work out, I think maybe a back test of this breakout level as low as here and then reclaiming this up again can provide another entry. Otherwise, we should start testing up these above levels in ES as well. Have a great day. Take care.